We're doing Freddy's Jump Scare Factory. I'm just adjusting it for you guys. There we go. And me. Okay, enter. So I heard there was purple guy in this game. I don't see any purple. Is that seriously it? I don't think they have a mouth for purple guy though. There, wait, that was it. Wait, isn't that for Toy Chica? I don't know. Maybe going back. No body. There, that body has a badge. Whoa. Trace. Okay, that was creepy. Now let me finish making it. Wait, what? Go back. Go back. Go back. You can't. No. Do I have to reload this whole page? Jeez, this thing's laggy. Do I have to reload this whole page? What the heck? You can't. You can't. You can't. No. Wait, why is it getting bigger? Comment you can't if you got here. Now click back to make more animatronics. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Ah, what the heck? Stupid dogs. Ah, I'm gonna get rid of this thing. Dude, purple guy. It was purple guy. He said I can't. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's better. Well, let's try something called surprise mode. Surprise mode. Let's go to Pirate's Cove. Dance with me. Okay then. Now where's the surprise? Okay then. That was disturbing. Okay, I think that was it. Okay. Well, bye.